place where people go to walk, but it's not a park.
We say in Serbian šetalište. It will mean like walking ground or something.
A lot of fountains and it was covered in water. Now it looks like bombs.
These buildings over there are very ugly and very high, and they are used mostly for Erasmus students. And they are like from communism. Yes. Yes. This is small church, wooden, in Wrocław, in park. What is the name of park?
Park Szczytnicki.
This is Aquarium. They have sea water inside, and when you go under the tunnel you see the fishes, the dolphins, the sharks, and many another corals, right? And the life in sea.
You can see also monkeys.
And that building is protection by UNESCO. I again forgot why. Sentinel.
Why it is placed on UNESCO list, I have no idea.
These buildings are renovating to look less ugly.